Hello and welcome to this channel. I am FinTech. I want to tell a very sad story of what happened yesterday to a certain woman. Her phone was stolen by a thief, and that was very terrible experience. She went to do a welcome back, and after doing the welcome back, she lost all the contacts she has in her phone because um, she she lost the phone and the SIM, and because of that, she couldn't retrieve the contacts in that phone, and that was very bad. A very important numbers that are stored in the phone were all lost. So she lost contact of very important people who she doing business with, and that affected her business badly. And that happened because she is not aware that she could save her contacts on the cloud. And whenever she lost her phone, she will never lose that contact. If you're in the same shoe, bring chair, come down. Let's discuss. We can see a way out of that. If a thief stole your phone together with the SIM card, you can never lose your contact. And I will tell you how. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to save your contact in such a way that even if you lose your phone and SIM, you can never lose all the contacts you stored in it. And that is by storing it on the cloud. We have an app that we use in doing that, and that is Google Contact. When you go to the YouTube, when you go to Play Store and download Google Contact, you just use it to save all the contact you have. And whenever you lose your phone and SIM, and you do a welcome back, you still recollect those numbers. You will never lose any single number. So if you have never downloaded Google Contacts, then do it today and you can never lose contacts again. So now let's dive in to see how it is done. Are you ready? I am ready. Let's go. So what you are going to do is this. You go to Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Play Store. So here is the Play Store. So you're going to click on that Play Store, and when you click on it, we wait for it to open. We wait for it to open. So when you open the Play Store, you are going to search for Google Contacts. Google Contacts. Google Contact. All right, we're done typing in Google Contact. So I'm going to click on that first one, Google Contact app download. So I click on it, and you see down here, forget about the first one, see the second one here, contacts only. So why it is showing me installed? Because I have already installed it. So what I just need to do is just to update it. So for you, if I have not downloaded it, what you are going to see here is install. So and you click on install, and after installing, then you go back to this to where it was installed. Mine is because I already installed it, so I'm going to go to contact. So see here is the contact. So I'm going to click on it. So we allow it to open. So when it opens, what you are going to do is just as simple as this, because you already have a Gmail account, and that was why you were able to have this. So when you have this here, what it means is that your contacts are in a safe hand, and even if you lose your phone or whatever, your contact is as safe as everything. What you just need to do is to buy a new phone, and you put in your Gmail account and the password, and you retrieve it. So it's as simple as that. So nothing else to be done here. Just open it and begin to save. So whenever you want to save, what you are going to do is to be saving with Google Contacts. So for instance, if I want to save contacts now, what I'm going to do is I will go to my phone, Then open and type in let's say uh, let's say plus plus 128464244. This is the contact I want to save. So what am I going to do? What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create new contact here. So and when I click on it, I'll go to see we have the normal contact for the phone and this contact. So we're going to click on this because this is the one we're going to be using to be saving on the cloud. So I'll click on it and I'll say always or just once for now. So then I will give the name. Let's say that the name is Michael Taylor. Michael Taylor. So that's the name, and I'll save. I'll click on save. And because I've done that, then I am free as everything. I will never lose my contact again. So that's how it can be done. Now, you can equally do so yourself. So I believe you learned something from this. If you learned something, please give us a thumbs up. So that's it. As you can see, it's very pretty simple as everything. So why will you lose your contacts when Google is there for you? Google Cloud is there for you. So you just save it on Google Contacts and your phone, your contacts are safe. So if they steal your phone and the SIM card, what it will only take you that it will cost you to go and buy another phone. And because you have the email and the password, you log in and your contacts will be back because it is automatically synced to the cloud. So you don't have anything to lose. I believe that you learned something. So please, if you learn something from this, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed and share the video to your loved one. They will benefit a lot from it. I'll be dropping videos like this in subsequent time. Please do well to like and share and subscribe. So if you have any question to ask, you are free to drop it on the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.